This video will demonstrate how to use Google Forms and the Google Form add-on Choice Eliminator to simplify the scheduling process for parent-teacher conferences. The first thing I'm going to do is create a Google form, and in this form I'm going to just title it Parent-Teacher Conference Request Form, have a little note to the parents, and then I'm going to go ahead and have a couple of questions. The first question I'll have is child's name, last name, first name, last name, whatever your preference is. The second question I'll have is for the parent's name. And I want you to notice that I went ahead and made both of those first two questions required. Those are the only two required items on this particular Google form. The next thing I did is I had a question over here that is a choose from a list question. And this question, I'll go ahead and hit edit so you can see. I listed out every time that I'll be available for conferences. So in this particular example, I scheduled 15-minute conferences with a 5-minute break in between each conference. So I went ahead and put every option that I'm going to have for conferences, and then I'll hit done. And I did not make this one a required question in case I have a parent fill out the form who does not wish to schedule a conference. The next question I added over here, I'll go ahead and hit edit so you can see, is a checkbox question. And what I didn't give it a title. I didn't put any help text. I just had one checkbox option, and it just says, I do not feel a conference is necessary. However, I would like to see my child's assessment portfolio. So you can really put anything you want here. Here I'm just giving parents an option to decide they do not want a conference. And then on the confirmation page, I just put a little thank you for your time note. So for any form that's going to go home to parents, I want to take a special look at the form settings. I want you to notice that I have none of the boxes in form settings checked. The default is to put a check next to require Fox C6 Schools login to view this form. But if we leave that checked, our parents won't be able to see the form because they don't have Fox C6 Schools logins. So what I did, I just unchecked that one so anyone on the web can view this form. So now that I've created this Google form, the next thing I need to do is add the add-on Choice Eliminator to set up so that every time someone or a parent selects one of these choice options, that is removed from the form for other parents to select. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Add-ons, and I already have Choice Eliminator as an add-on, but if you don't have it, you'll just click right over here where it says Get Add-ons. And once that loads up, we'll just go ahead and search add-ons for, if you just search for their choice, it should pop right up for you. And where mine says Manage, yours will say Free. And if you just add that onto your Google Drive, you'll be ready to go. Then anytime you open a new form, you'll be able to utilize this add-on called Choice Eliminator. So I'll go ahead and click Add-ons and Choice Eliminator, and I'll click Start. So we'll see the form is doing just a little bit of working here. So the add-on recognizes which questions we can use it on. Now you can use Choice Eliminator on multiple choice, choose from a list, or checkbox questions. So I'm going to go ahead and click here and make sure the box is checked that says Eliminate Choices. And then I'm going to click right here where it says Choice Options. Now, choice options are going to pop up here, and it will have every option that is in that question. And then you'll see a little text box to the left. This will say how many times each of these choices can be selected before it is removed from the form. Since in this example we are scheduling parent-teacher conferences, we want all of these to say 1, which is the default. So I'll confirm that there's a number 1 by all of them, And then you see in parentheses, that's the count, how many times it has been selected on this particular form. And I'll click Save. Once I've done this, my form is ready to go. All I have to do is click Send Form. Check this box to get the short URL. Then I'll go ahead and copy this link and email it to parents. You can send that to parents in an email blast through Tyler, or if however you email parents, you can get that form right to them. And in case you're curious as to what this will look like, I'll go ahead and click View Live Form and just throw in a little dummy data. And I'll go ahead and schedule a conference right here. We'll pick the first one, 12:20 to 12:35, and hit Submit. And now if we come back to look at this and take this one more time, we will notice when we go to look at the times, 12:20 is gone as a choice. This has been JP Presavento, the Fox C6 EdTech Coordinator, demonstrating how to use Google Forms to simplify the scheduling process for parent-teacher conferences.